Welcome to in this video we learn Introduction to Big Data. How to manage very large amounts of data and extract value and knowledge from them is called big data analysis. Today we learn what is big data, about 3 ways of big data, AND's use cases, its issues, and the solutions. Let's start the session. What is big data? Big data is data whose scale, diversity, and complexity require new architecture, techniques, algorithms, and analytics to manage it and extract value and hidden knowledge from it. Normally we work on data of size MB Word doc, Excel, or maximum GB movies, codes, but data in Peta bytes I.T. 10-15 byte size is called big data. It is stated that almost 90% of today's data has been generated in the past 3 years. From where this data comes from? These data come from many sources like social networking sites, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn. All these sites generates huge amount of data on a day-to-day basis as they have billions of users worldwide. E-commerce sites like Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba generates huge amount of logs from which users' buying trends can be traced. Weather station, all the weather station and satellite gives very huge data which are stored and manipulated to forecast weather. Telecom company, telecom giants like Airtel, Vodafone study the user trends and accordingly publish their plans, and for this they store the data of its million users. Share market, stock exchange across the world generates huge amount of data through its daily transaction. 3 ways of big data. 3 V's, volume, variety and velocity, are 3 defining properties or dimensions of big data. Volume refers to the amount of data, variety refers to the number of types of data, and velocity refers to the speed of data processing. According to the 3 V's model, the challenges of big data management result from the expansion of all 3 properties, rather than just the volume alone, the sheer amount of data to be managed. Velocity, veracity and volume. Let's see in details. Velocity. The data is increasing at a very fast rate. It is estimated that the volume of data will double in every 2 years. Veracity. Nowadays data are not stored in rows and column. Data is structured as well as unstructured. Log file, CCTV footage is unstructured data. Data which can be saved in tables are structured data like the transaction data of the bank. Volume. The amount of data which we deal with is of very large size of petabytes. Use case. An e-commerce site size, having 100 million users, wants to offer a gift voucher of $100 to its top 10 customers who have spent the most in the previous year. Moreover, they want to find the buying trend of these customers so that company can suggest more items related to them. Issues. Huge amount of unstructured data which needs to be stored, processed and analyzed. Solutions. Storage. This huge amount of data, Hadoop uses HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System, which uses commodity hardware to form clusters and store data in a distributed fashion. It works on write once, read many times principle. Processing, MapReduce paradigm is applied to data distributed over network to find the required output. Analyze, Pig, Hive can be used to analyze the data. Cost, Hadoop is open source so the cost is no more an issue. Thank you for watching this video.